Regarding this song, there are like very different approach, especially on the drums. At the beginning of the song, when I'm doing this song live, I just play like electronic drums. Like I play the Roland KT10, so there's no like live drums at all. I just play the real hi-hat, but I guess it's very kind of low in the mix. And I usually play like the main snare with a pad, a Roland pad, and so we can have like the same vibe as the record, and that's the goal, but it's like more human way. I'm gonna play the verse. I'm doing right now with the real drums, but as you can see, I'm just doing the main groove, and I just trying to keep it as simple as possible.
All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rockstar. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot tops. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Hey, hey, switch my whip, came back in black, I'm starting saying recipes to Bon Scott. Hey, close that door, we blowing smoke, she asked me light a fire like I'm awesome. Hey, act a fool on stage, probably leave my fucking show in a cop car. Hey.
As you can see, once again, like especially on the hi-hat, I try to be like not to play like with dynamic at all. So just trying to pretend I'm a drum machine and just trying to have like no dynamic at all. And so it helps like giving the song the right vibe as the record. And so instead of playing with accents, I just play straight. It sounds different. So yeah, basically this is the main groove, and as I mentioned before, I usually play just with the electronic drums, just playing the real hi-hat, just to keep some human drive to the song, but I try to be like, let's say, less human, more like machine. At the very end of the song, we completely change the mood of the song. We bring a lot of rock soul to the song, and the song ends with a drum solo, let's say, but I try not to, once again, not to play for myself, so just trying to play as many roles or as many fields as possible. I try to orchestrate like between all the pieces I have. I start with the basic groove of the song at the end, and then at the very end I try to go crazy a little bit, and it sounds like this. So I usually change like the very final part like every night. It depends on how I feel. I have like these 8 bars to go crazy, so I try to do something cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.